All right, good morning, people. So, in case you don't live in Minnesota, it has been very cold the last few days. I believe yesterday it got up to like negative 22 Fahrenheit. Right now it is, according to my watch, it is negative 11. And the best part is the Beetle has not been touched since Saturday. Today is Tuesday, the 21st. So we still got power, but the horn sounds a little goofy. So the fuel pump definitely sounds cold, so it'll be fun to see what happens. So, go. Wow. There you go. All right, now let's do my dad's Navigator. I'm not sure how long it's been sitting. I don't think it was driven at all yesterday. So, not as fun as the Beetle, but definitely we'll get something out of it. And it's a V8, so it'll sound better than a 5-cylinder. Ooh, the fuel pump was loud. Ooh. Whoa. There you go, folks. That is the Navigator.